Hello, my name is Abid, and this tutorial video is on how to create GIFs on a Mac. The following app we are going to be using is titled Giphy Capture. I already have this app downloaded, so we're going to go ahead and minimize the App Store. And then we're going to also use a website called Paxos.com. This is a free and easy website to use to share and create content without being copyright striked. Here's a video that I found and I will be using in this example. So go ahead and open up your Giphy Capture app and then place it right here on the video, and then hit play and then hit record. Once your GIF is done, go ahead and click on this. Now we can edit. We can click on the loops, which type of loop we would like, whether it's in reverse, whether it's in a ping pong fashion, or we can go for the normal route. Let's go ahead and do reverse. Then we can also click on our optimal resolution, and for pixel size, if we want the best optimal resolution, go for 640p. We can also go for 480 and 320. So this will determine our picture quality. Recommend going for 640p depending on how short the GIF is, so that way it's a clear image. We can also check on how fast our GIF can run, whether it would be in HD, high, low, or just keep it normal, standard. The reason why we're doing this is because whenever we share on media websites, we have to make sure that our file size falls under the maximum limit of 15 megabytes. If it's in HD, the maximum limit is 10 megabytes. So for us, we can also trim our GIF like that. And then we click on calculate size. .7 megabytes. Alright, that's perfect. Now we go ahead and go into the caption. We can add a caption right here. Let's say this is really nice. We can change the color of this GIF, of the text: yellow, green, orange, blue, purple. Let's go ahead and go for a clear color. In this case, let's go for green. We can also change the text style, italicized. We can also keep it as normal. Let's keep it a little fancy. Let's go for italicized. We can also change the size of this GIF. It can be large, extra large, medium, small, extra small. For this tutorial video, we'll go ahead and use medium, so that way it's easy to see. We can also drag our GIF, our text right here, and we can click on the animation style. We can do fade. We can do scale. We can do move. We can also do drop. Let's go ahead and do scale. Now that our GIF is done, go back to options, click on save. And I have a folder already ready to save this under. Just wait for this to save. Now that our GIF is saved, we can close this, go into Twitter, go ahead and anytime you create a GIF, you always want to credit where you got the source from, so that way you can abide by the copyright laws. So in this case, the website that we used is this. And then we click right here, and then there's our GIF. Open, and whenever we're ready, we go ahead and click tweet. And just like that, there's our GIF. And today I just taught you guys how to create GIFs on a Mac. Take care, everyone.